Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class.
Student, I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we studied disadvantages of hard waters, and today we are going to study another very important environmental issues, which is water pollution. Now, let's discuss on details. Water pollution, my dear student, water pollution is one of the major environmental problems affecting human health and aquatic life. Definition of water pollution. My dear student, water pollution is the contamination of water by harmful substances, making it unsafe for drinking and other uses. These harmful substances are called water pollutants. Now, what are water pollutants? Water pollutants are substances that degrade the quality of water. They may be physical, chemical, biological. Now, types of water pollutants. First one, physical pollutants. Dust, sand, suspended particles. These make water turbid and cloudy. Second one, chemical pollutants. Acids and bases, salts, heavy metals like lead, mercury, pesticides, and fertilizers. These change the chemical composition of water. Third one, biological pollutants, bacteria, viruses, algae. These cause waterborne diseases. Sources of water pollution. Water pollution occurs due to various sources. First one, natural sources like soil erosion, decay of organic matter, volcanic activities. Second one, human-made sources like industrial waste, sewage and wastewater, agricultural runoff, fertilizers, pesticides, oil spills, dumping of garbage. Human activities are the main cause of water pollution. Effects of water pollution. Water pollution has harmful effects on human health, causes diseases like cholera and typhoid, unsafe drinking water. Second one, aquatic life, death of fish and aquatic organisms, lack of oxygen and water. Third one, environment, disturbs ecosystems, causes eutrophications, mean excessive growth of algae. Example of water pollution. Organic waste in water consumes oxygen. Organic matter plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Less oxygen leads to death of aquatic life. Now, prevention of water pollution. Water pollution can be controlled by proper treatment of sewage, treating industrial waste, avoiding dumping waste into water, reducing use of chemicals, public awareness. Summary of water pollution. Water pollution is contamination of water. Pollutants can be physical, chemical, or biological. Major sources are industrial waste, sewage, and agriculture. It affects human health and aquatic life. It can be controlled by proper treatment and awareness. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on water pollution. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more chemistry lectures and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.